Don't know if you know this too. I'd rather be right here with you. Nothing else matters.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. So, I'm starting the vlog in a very different place. My car. Well, we are headed to Delhi. So, it's been a chaotic morning, honestly. Sitara woke up early, which was good because we otherwise, I think, would have just slept in for some more time. Because of her, I think we were able to kind of leave at least now. So, we just left the house. Uh, yeah, it's gonna be a pretty long drive to Delhi, and yes, there's nothing much to kind of catch up in the car. But yeah, but with baby, when you have like I used to think I'm an overpacker until I had my child. Trust me, you need to carry so many things, like so many things, even if you don't use it, but you will carry it just because you never know. She might need it. So yeah, there's so much. Like we have been putting things in the car like from last night, and it's just not stopping. Yeah, mama. And on top of it, she's just not herself. Like from yesterday, she's been cranky and teething. And I made this smoothie for her. I added apple, banana, yogurt, coconut milk, chia seed, and stuff, dates and stuff. I made it just because she was refusing to have her breakfast, and this is handy. I'm trying this out. It's like a squishy thingy. Like you just press this, and then it has a spoon. So in the car, especially, it gets really messy. So I'm trying my best to not make it messy with a child. Well, I really dread the thought of like, oh my god, we have to travel, as even if it's for a beautiful location or destination. I'm like, dude, should I? Like, it's so comfortable at home, like all her stuff is there. Even when I have to go to my own house, I'm not kidding, I think twice because everything is here, right? Her comfort, again, go there, her sleep pattern changes, everything changes. So, and also so much to carry. Like, I remember traveling with her all alone when she was 4.5 to 5 months old, and I was so tired. Even though she was such a chill baby, she did not trouble me at all in the flight or on the way, but I was exhausted just by carrying so many luggages. It's just such an overwhelming experience. And that is when I learned, when you travel with your baby, coming from an experienced mom, please take very less cabin luggage. Just take a diaper bag and not much of your like luggages, because the more the luggage, the more overwhelmed you'll feel. The experience is not gonna be nice, to be very frank. So yeah, anyway, we're on our way. She's chilling now. I've given her some books, so she's good for some time, and then it's the first nap. So now I don't know how will she sleep. There was the time she used to sleep in the car seat, but now she doesn't. I don't know. We will see. Yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in between then.
마지막 순간까지 너와 눈을 감아도 너만 보여 난 서툰 바위
Sitara got up. She had a good 1 hour nap. So we stopped by on our way to have some breakfast. I'm having my coffee, and we have some sandwiches. Which sandwich is this? Spinach corn sandwich. And Sitara got up. So she had a good 1 hour solid nap. Yeah, she slept by 9:10, 9:20, I guess. Yeah. 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 You wanna see Mama? Mama?
Mama,
Mama. Say hi.
mama,
Mama.
mama, mama, mama.
Oh, did you hear that? She's Mama's girl, I tell you. So we are in Delhi, and I quickly changed into fresh clothes, much needed. I can't, like, after all that long drive, I really can't be in the same outfit. Yeah, mama. Yes. So the plan of action is we are headed to DLF Emporio. I have been wanting to pick something for a longest time. Not longest time, I would say for a week now. Yeah, baby. Yes. You want to talk? So every time I on my camera is when she starts being cranky. Otherwise, she's all good. So I've been wanting to pick something, but I'm not sure if I'm going to. Let's see. Let's go with the flow. I mean, it's not the need of an hour that I should pick, but I don't know. I think I'm in that like impromptu shopping era. That's how I picked this camera as well. Very impromptu. So that's the plan of action. And apart from that, yes, we'll have some girls' time alone, me and Sitara, in the mall until my husband joins us since he'll be stepping out for some work. And once he's back, I'm planning to get a blow dry as well because I'm really lazy to wash my hair. And I don't know, I'm in that mood, to kind of indulge into something like this. So that's the plan. Let's see. Let's see how the plan goes.
선을 건너 우주 끝까지 가볼게 with you 마지막 순간까지 너와 저 수평선을 건너 우주 끝까지 가볼게 마지막 순간까지 너와 눈을 감아도 너만 보여 나 baby.
So it's the next day. Well, with Sitara, I really can't film the way I really want to because obviously you're out, so her schedule is all here and there. Like she ended up taking 3 naps like yesterday, and she slept pretty late last night, so things have just been here and there. And today it's day two. Like you see, I have fresh hair blow dried, and I love it. So it's very few people kind of get it right with my hair for some reason, and also it's mostly because even I don't know what suits me, like especially when it comes to my hair. But I like what my hair looks like now, like inwards curls. I think, yeah, my husband also was like, okay, this looks good on you. Otherwise, normally when I go to get a blow dry, he would not like it. Like he's like, oh, your hair looks the same. So yeah, it's just a lucky day, I guess. I got my hair right this time. So the plan of action today, we are headed out. I have a couple of things that I want to do here. Firstly, the one thing that I was telling you I want to buy, I don't know why, everywhere it's sold out and it's a bummer. So I have to try a few more places today to see if I can get something. And then I want to go to South Delhi. There are a few cafes that I want to try it out, like have some good lunch. That's the plan. And yes, IKEA. So IKEA, I love IKEA. Like especially all, like the little kitchenware and stuff. They have good stuff. So if I get time, I would want to explore IKEA. So that's the plan of action for today. So yeah, let me take you around then. Guys are wondering where's Sitara? She's here. She's on my lap. So I take this feeding pillow everywhere. So I just feed her to sleep. So comment down and let me know if this is suiting me, this kind of blow dry, because I'm liking it. I'm gonna stick to it, I feel. If I ever get blow dry, it's gonna be this. With short hair, especially, it's looking nice. And also Delhi traffic.
know this too. I'd rather be right here with you. Nothing else matters right now. It's just you and me, boy.
So finally, after almost 1 hour, we have reached GK2,
K2 M Block.
GK2 M Block. There's so many fab restaurants here. First thing, what we're doing is having lunch at this place called Melt House. So they have this amazing pizza and pasta menu. So we thought we'll have lunch here and then we'll head to Libertario for some coffee and yeah. So that's the plan.
너만을 기다려봤다고 저수평선을 건너 우주 끝까지 가볼게 With you, with you 마지막 순간까지 너와 눈을 감아도 너만 보여 난 Something by you, baby 아주한 이때 줄 수 있어 다 Something by you, baby
Hey guys, so today it's the last day in Delhi. We're headed back today. So yeah, we're not here for the entire day. We're heading back. And the one place that I wanted to visit was IKEA as well, which we could not do it yesterday because obviously it's not the same, not traveling with a toddler. You really can't do much. Everything is like I really could not cover whatever I wanted to, but it's okay. Maybe for next time, we can save it for next time. So yeah, we'll just head to IKEA. I want to pick few things, especially the kitchen stuff. And once that is done, we'll be heading back. Sitara got up from her first nap. So all good until at least 4 hours. So we have got some good time, 4 hours to kill. And then we'll head back home. So I thought I'll just come here and end the vlog. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you guys like this vlog. Everything is recorded in bits and pieces. Like it is a task, with a toddler to kind of switching on the camera. And now that I have a different camera, vlogging camera altogether, it's not the same like, just take the phone and record it. I have to remind myself, okay, there is a camera, switch it on and vlog it. And then I have to also on the mic as well every time. So my hands are full, like, handling a toddler and then the camera and my phone. There's so much. But we're getting there, we're getting used to it. And let me tell you want to see where Sitara is? Here you go. So this is her favorite place to chill apparently. Yeah. So it's not the car seat anymore. So the car seat is just dumped with all her carrier and books. And this is where she likes to chill. Say hi. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Anyways, you guys, bye. And I hope you guys like my vlog and do subscribe to my channel. Until next time. Oh, you finally got it. Sitara said bye.
우주